on PC. Error message, sorry, something went wrong. CodeFusion Anti-Tamper Error 885. Tarp 1, restart your PC. Close 07 First Light completely. Restart your computer. Launch Steam, Epic Games, or Xbox app as administrator. Start the game again. Number herd 2. Verify game files. Open your game launcher. Locate 007 First Light. Open Properties. Select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for verification to complete. Launch the game. Number 3. Run the game administrator. Navigate to the game installation folder. Locate 07firstlight.exe. Right-click the executable. Select Run as Administrator. Check if the error disappears. Disable antivirus temporarily. Open Windows Security or your antivirus software. Disable real-time protection temporarily. Add the 007 First Light folder to exclusions. Relaunch the game. Nushnar 5. Close background programs. Close MSI Afterburner, Riva Tuner Statistics Server, Cheat Engine, Process Hacker, Overclocking Tools, restart the game. Number 6. Repair Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables, open apps and features, locate Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables, select Modify, click Repair, restart your PC. Number 7. Update Windows, open Settings, Windows Update, click Check for Updates, install all available updates, restart the computer. Hacker 8. Disable virtual machines in Hyper-V. Press Windows R, type Optional Features, press Enter. Disable Hyper-V, Virtual Machine Platform, Windows Hypervisor Platform, restart the PC. 9. Reinstall the anti-tamper components. Verify game files through the launcher. Allow the launcher to reinstall missing anti-tamper files. Restart the game after verification finishes. Number 10. Reinstall 007 First Light. Uninstall the game. Delete any remaining game files, restart the PC, download and install the latest version, launch the game again. Hash additional fix. Ensure the game is installed on a local drive, SSD, HDD. Avoid launching the game from external drives, network drives, or cloud-synced folders. Remove any software that injects overlays or modifies game processes. These steps resolve most CodeFusion Anti-Tamper Error 8850000 issues caused by security software conflicts, corrupted game files, unsupported virtualization settings, or anti-tamper component failures.